Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some flat pizzas, small ones, and for that you need some ketchup or tomato sauce, ham and sausages, or anything that seems to be good with pizza. It's something that you have under your hands and will work out here. All you need to do is having also a waffle maker, which is important, and let's put the dough on there and add some tomato sauce onto the top of it. And we will also need cheese here, so be sure that you have it as well. Let's have a little bit tomato sauce on it and add the ingredients that we had just cut it down. It can be, again, anything that you think goes great with the pizza. We can use mushrooms, you can use a lot of things. Okay, just add them there. And whenever finished, you can also go on with adding the cheese onto the top of this. This is a very quick and easy recipe for the pizza with the waffle maker. So all we have to do now is close it with the another one and close it now. After several minutes, just open it up, take that out, and you can cut it down and try it. We're cutting it down with, This can be fast and easy, and we hope you will like it. Go on and share this with your friends. Good appetite!